I'm Christine, and I am a compassionate, holistic self-care consultant who inspires life-changing transformational experiences. And my little self-help tip for today has a lot to do with our weather. It is really, really windy out today where I'm at, and I've just noticed people are really more emotional. People are having a lot of pain and discomfort in their bodies. And I just wanted to share with you a little bit about why that happens when the wind is blowing. When the wind blows, there are an excess amount of positive ions in the air. And that's how come we get disrupted. So positive ions are what we would call our grouchy or not very happy ions, and the negative ions are the happy ions. So I'm going to share with you a little trick today on how you can increase your negative ions and decrease your positive ions in relation to the weather changing and the wind blowing. There's even been some studies done where they've even noticed violence and unsettledness with people is higher when the wind is blowing. Or people will be able to tell you, hope there's a storm coming because that shoulder of mine is hurting. And the reason it could be sore is because of the excess amount of positive ions in the air around us. So I'm going to share with you a breathing exercise that you can do to bring your positive ion in your body down. So your body is electrical, and it is very well and very much influenced by the ions that are around you and the level of ionization within the body. So how we do this is we're going to be plugging our left nostril. So this is my left side. So we're going to plug it, and we're going to be breathing in on the right, and we're going to breathe out on the left. So we're breathing in on the right, out on the left. So by plugging the left, we're going to breathe in. And then we're going to plug the right, and we're going to blow out on the left. Breathe in on the right. Breathe out on the left. You're going to do that about 3 times. And what this does, this breathing exercise, it helps to reset your ions. So it helps to get rid of the excessive positive ions within you due to the fact that there's more positive ions in the air around you. Another little tip I'm going to share with you, I'm just going to turn my camera around, is this little guy here. This is a Himalayan salt lamp, this one. And what the Himalayan salt lamp does is it actually puts out negative ions into the air around you. And remember, those negative ions are your happy ions, and the positive ions are your grouchy ions. And I also really like, and if you're into essential oils like I am, you can see that one there. The lighting is a little bit off because I wanted you to see the light, but this is Valor Essential Oil. And Valor Essential Oil is the essential oil that works wonderful to balance out your electrical body. So I would be taking this essential oil, and I like to take and put it right on the top. Takes a long time sometimes for, there it goes, Valor to drop right on the top, and then you can place your hand here, and where that finger ends up, that's the area you're going for. You're going to hold that point and just do a little deep breath. And this is also your happy point. It's an acupressure point, and it's to help settle and elevate the spirits on these days when the wind is blowing. And so that's my little self-help tip for today. Beautiful smelling essential oil. So remember, on those windy days, breathe in through the right, out through the left. Balance those ions, get those negative ions up in the body. So that you can have a better day and you can feel more settled and grounded. Maybe have, if you're getting headaches and things like that. Certainly if it's a medical problem, you should really consult with your physician as well if you have any medical concerns or problems. Otherwise, I hope you find this general tip helpful as you move along through your day, and I'm hoping I can help you get out of your pain and on with your life naturally.